Hey guys, we're checking out this job. I'm gonna put a bid in on this. This thing is a huge furnace, man. This thing is, my God, I don't know how big it is. But great big. It's an old Chrysler Airtemp. Oldie but goodie. We're gonna pop the door off of it. Lay my boot down. See what size this thing is, man. Oh my gosh. Look at this thing. It's going to take some work to get this out of here. Holy cow. Man. Unreal. Look at that. 200,000 input. 160,000 output. Insane. What a unit. Back in the day, man, they really oversized stuff. And this is a good example of that. Huge furnace. It's going to take a while to get that thing out of here. I just thought I'd show you this, guys, man. Look, there's my arm. And I can't even get to the other side of the door of this thing. Insane. All right, guys, that's it. Crazy old furnace. Crazy old furnace. There ain't no carrier. Probably got an old carrier air conditioner on it. I don't know. Yeah, there you go, fellas. Look at that, will you? Nice, eh? Nice and clean. Nice and clean. Alright guys, that's it for now. If we get the job, I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Thanks for watching. See you next time.